learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
While visiting Dongshu and Taichung, the Dapu accent is the most prominent Hakka accent that you'll hear. Perhaps the most fascinating feature of the Dongshu Dapu dialect is the dropping of the last character in certain words. For example, in Chinese, people typically say 桌子 for table, but in the Dapu accent, the 字 is dropped. This is one of the few Hakka dialects that actually does this. And while many of the Dapu Hakka people are scattered throughout Taiwan, you can find the highest concentration of them in Fengyuan's Xigong, Dongshu, and Xinshe districts.
All right, it's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we are taking you to a place in Taichung known as 东市董司。
董司，对。
Okay, 你知道，因为客语其实有6个腔调嘛？
哎，对。
四海大平安吗？
知道了，对，四海大平安。然后呢，四县的部分有分北四县跟南四县，所以这样总共有6个腔调。
对 ，There's 6 different dialects, major dialects in the Hakka language.
对，
好像东市这边很多这个大埔腔的。
东市这边几乎都是讲大埔腔。
是哈。Let's kind of point out what is exactly different. 到底有什么比较不一样、比较明显的可以跟大家说呢？
比较明显的部分哈，就是我们的太埔腔大埔腔。
OK，
它有点翘舌音。就是我们叫做卷舌音，
卷舌吗？
对，早期是归类在四县腔里头，但后来又分出来说变成独立成一个大埔腔。哦，对，然后他们大埔腔里面的一个特殊的地方，就是它有很多的字里头是没有尾音的，譬如说我们讲桌凳桌子椅子啊，对，它后面会有一个尾音，
是，
但是那个大埔腔它就直接讲桌凳。
We're trying to explain the dialect spoken here at Dongshi District. It's called 大埔腔, Taipukyong, and it's actually a derivative of Sixian. You know, that's another dialect, which is a major dialect in the Hakka language. So it's very similar to Sixian. And to differentiate, this dialect actually, an interesting point to point out is when we describe things like a table or a chair, usually there's a tail word at the end, such as 桌子叫做
座
A, there's an A, and then 椅子 chair 叫做
凳
but with the Dapu dialect, you drop the A, so it's just 座凳. So now you know, and this dialect is called 大埔腔.
太埔腔
and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.